Hi there, very warm welcome to watching this video. This video is going to be an introduction part of the Ultimate Proteus course for the beginner and the first video of this course. In this course, I will take you on a journey to teach you everything you need to know about Proteus from basic to advanced concepts. I would like to divide this full course into some separate parts. So that in the first part, I am going to introduce you with the user interface of the Proteus Professional. If you are a beginner, I would recommend to watch the entire video. Let's take an intro about couple of concepts before we are getting started with our schematic diagram so that you are familiar with the software interface. You may wonder what kind of activities you can perform with Proteus. Well, you can get a complete virtual electronic lab rather than purchasing any electronics components. That means it can be used to learn more about hardware component behavior, electronic laws, and to build a prototype of your electronic project. Simply, you can practice the electronics concept, that is analog electronics and of course the digital electronics like microcontroller programming. So it is very close to the hardware and feels like you are working on your university practical laboratory. That means it is not specific for one domain like just only the circuit design, but also you can simulate your project and creating the PCB layout for your circuit. Let's jump into the Proteus software interface. Running the Proteus app, Proteus welcome window will be appear on your computer monitor. Simply by clicking the schematic capture icon, you can go through the drawing window, but this is not recommended. The standard way is go to the file menu and new project. A new project wizard will be appeared. In the name field, type your project name. My case, this is demo project, and using the browse button, select your own project directory. I would like to arrange and put all of my projects in a parent folder named my projects with a subfolder named as my current project that I am working with. Now that is first project. You can rename it as you like. At this time I am using new project selector. We will talk about the from development board selector on later. You may select the do not create a schematic selector for drawing the PCB layout only, but currently this is not that we want. Now we have to select the schematic template. At this time, which is just only the working area of your project. You may also call it as page size. I am selecting the landscape A4. Don't worry about that. You can also update it later. By clicking the next button, jump into a option that you want to create a PCB layout or not. This time we will work with schematic design only. So the default selector do not create the PCB layout perfect for me. Again clicking on the next button, Proteus is asking to me that is it a firmware project or flowchart project or not. That means would you want to use any microprocessor or microcontroller in your project and you want to write the code in here? As I described you earlier, Proteus is not specific for one domain. You can do a lots of things using Proteus. You will see everything. But for now, no firmware project is fine for us. After selecting the next button, you can review all of the previous selections and if required, you can update by clicking the back button. If everything is fine, now we can select the finish button to launch our first project. Congratulations, and that's all for today. In the upcoming tutorial, we will update our template and take a look about the Proteus user interface menu functionality. Thanks for your patience. I will catch you on the next video. Till then, take care of you. Bye.